Good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to start chapter number 3 of your mathematics syllabus. Okay, so this chapter is coordinate geometry. Okay, student, previous class we have completed two chapters. First one is number system. Okay, and the second one is polynomial. Okay, student. So this is the third chapter. It is coordinate geometry. Okay, so student, this is very short topic and short chapter. ये बहुत ही छोटा चैप्टर्स है एंड इस चैप्टर्स में जो भी मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराता हूँ वही सब आपको फेयर कॉपी में लिखना है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, इसमें कोई एक्सरसाइज आपको नहीं करना बिकॉज एक्सरसाइज में थ्योरेटिकल दिया है तो मैं आपको नोट्स खुद प्रिपेयर करके दे रहा हूँ. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट एंड कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा. सो आपके लिए उन क्वेश्चंस फेयर कॉपी में करना है. So student, today we are going to start chapter number 3 is coordinate geometry. Student, last year all of you learn about geometry. Okay, so what is the meaning of geometry? Geometry means measurement of earth. Okay, so what is coordinate geometry? Means geometry को solve करना हमें algebra means coordinate system के through. Okay, what is coordinate system? Coordinate system, it is divided into two parts, axis and quadrants. Okay, so student, we have to start this coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, it is a branch of mathematics in which geometry solved through by algebra by using coordinate system. Okay, so it is a branch of mathematics. Okay, means measurement of geological part by algebra by using coordinate system is known as coordinate geometry. Now coordinate system. So student, what is coordinate system? In this system include coordinate axis and quadrant. So what is coordinate system? So student, this is a coordinate system. This. Okay, this is a origin point. Okay, these are the axes, two axes. This is horizontal axis, this is vertical axis, and axis divided into four quadrants. This is first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so student, now we have discussed what is coordinate axis. The horizontal line and vertical line are called coordinate axis. This is horizontal line, this is x-axis, and vertical line is y-axis. Okay, so student, now we have discussed about quadrants. So student, the coordinate axis divided the plane into four parts. Okay, जब दो lines रहेंगी आपके पास, this is horizontal, this is vertical. टू लाइन्स जब एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं तो वो उन दो लाइन्स को फोर इक्वल कोऑर्डिनेट्स में डिवाइड करती हैं. दिस इज फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. दीज आर द फोर कोऑर्डिनेट. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, टाइप्स ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स, दिस इज फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. ओके, इन फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट value of x and y both are positive. Okay, because this is positive value, this is also positive value. So this means this is both are positive. Okay, now next second quadrant, this one. This is value of x is minus and value of y is plus. That means second quadrant, the value of x is always negative and the value of y is always positive. And third quadrant, the value of x and y both are negative. And fourth quadrant, the value of x is positive and y is negative. Okay students, so I hope understand. Okay, so this is coordinate system. Okay, now next what is coordinate origin point? This is origin point. Okay, so student, what is origin point? A point of intersection of the axis is called origin point. That means ये starting point होता है जब दोनों lines किसी point को cut करती है. Okay, horizontal and vertical. This point is known as origin point, and the point of origin point is always 0 and 0. Okay, इस point के points क्या होंगे हमेशा 0 and 0. It is famous MCQ questions. What is the point of origin point? Is 0 and 0. Student, write the note point for your MCQ questions. On x-axis always y equal to 0. x-axis पर हमेशा y का वैल्यू 0 होगा. On y-axis x का वैल्यू हमेशा 0 होगा. That means जब हम horizontal line की बात करते हैं तो y का वैल्यू हमेशा 0 होगा, एंड जब हम वर्टिकल लाइन की बात करते हैं तो x का वैल्यू हमेशा 0 होगा. Point of origin is always 0 and 0. And value of x is called abscissa. जो value of x होती है उसको हम abscissa बोलते हैं, and value of y को हम coordinate बोलते हैं. Okay students, so this is the main concept about coordinate geometry. In this chapter we have learned about coordinate geometry, coordinate system, coordinate axis, coordinates, types of coordinates, origin point, and some special notes points for exam point of view. Okay, so now student अब हमारे लिए only 5 to 6 questions बस करने इस chapter से, so one by one start करते हैं. Write the question. Plot the following graph. On the graph paper. P, this is 4 minus 4 Q, P minus 3 R minus 2 plus 2 and S. This is minus 1 plus 2. So student, this is the first question. Question is that plot the following points on the graph papers. P, Q, R, S. These are we have 4 points P, Q, R and S. इनको हमें आगे लिए ग्राफ पेपर पे डिनोट करना है. तो स्टूडेंट सभी लोग अपना ग्राफ पेपर रेडी कर लिएगा. This is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is positive y, this is negative y. This is origin point O, that is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1. Okay, so student, these are the points. This is P4 minus 4. What is the value of x? This is 4 and y is minus 4. So So this point is denoted here C. And the second point is 3 and 3. This is Q, P and Q. R is -2 plus 2. This is -2 plus 2. Okay, now -1 minus 2. Okay, so this is line. Okay, students, these are the 4 points. Plot in graph paper and make them. This is okay. So student, आपने सारे चारों पॉइंट्स को एक ग्राफ पेपर पे डिनोट कर दिया है एंड चार पॉइंट्स को आपने ज्वाइन कर दिया. दिस इज P, Q, R एंड S. ओके, so draw this.